Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Mondrian floor plan offers a variety of unique personalization options for you and your family. The standard first floor includes a dining room, powder room, and a laundry room. Based on your family's needs, the multi-generational option allows you to convert this space into a private living area. Here's what it looks like with a bedroom suite. Full bath. Foyer with private entry. A lounge that includes a kitchenette. And private access to a one-car garage. Now, let's take a look at the flexibility you have on the second floor. The base plan starts with a loft and 3 bedrooms, each with its own ensuite baths. You can add a bonus bedroom and bath, which expands the home's living area by 315 square feet. Or convert that bonus bedroom into a den by removing the closet. Or make the entire space into a large game room for your family and friends to enjoy. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.